What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blexynorji, and if this is your first time here, you're welcome. And if you've been here before, thank you for coming back. So today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this look. This is just like a pink eye look, a beautiful, hot, sexy pink eye look. I really love this look so much. So I'll be showing you guys how I created it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you do so, guys. Please, I don't understand why you're not subscribing to my channel. Please, guys, subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And also like this video if you enjoy it. Drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this look and let me know what you want to see next on this channel. What am I not doing right? Just let me know everything in the comment section. So yeah, let's get right into the video. I'll be starting off by priming my brows, and I'll be using the NY Shine Killer, and I'm just making sure it is sitting well by pressing it into my skin. I'll be going in with the Juvia's Place Concealer in number 10, and I'm just going to apply that on my brows and then I'll blend it. And I'm just filling my brows using the Top Face Brow Pencil in brunette, and I'm just going to outline my brows and fill it, and then I use the concealer to clean my brows. Guys, I have a detailed tutorial on how I do my brows, so please check it out. Moving on to my eyes, I'll be using the classic blush palette, and I'm going into this pink shade right here, and I'll be using that as my transition color, and I'm just going to apply that right on above my crease, and I'm blending it as I go. For more depth, I'll be going into the same blush palette, and I'll go into this red shade, and I'm just going to apply that right below that transition color, the pink shade. And then I'll use the same brush I used to apply the pink shade to blend that together, and after that I'll cut my crease. After cutting my crease, I'm just going to blend the concealer by creating a smoky effect on the outer corner of my eyes. So for my eyelid, I'll be using this pink pigment, and I'm just going to pack that on my lid. So I'll go into this chunky glitters and I'll apply it on that cut crease just to define it and make it pop. To line my eyes, I'll be using the LA Girl Black Gel Liner, and I'm going for a winged eyeliner. For mascara, I'll use the Cosmetics mascara, and I'm just going to use it to clean the eyeshadow fallout I have on my natural lashes. I'll be moving on to my face, and first I'll start by moisturizing my face, and I'll be using the Mary Kay Clear Proof Moisturizer, and I'll apply that all over my face. After that, I'll move on to prime my face, and I'll use the Character Cosmetics primer, and I'll apply that all over my face. And after doing that, I'm going to move on to Set my face with white powder to block oil from peeking through. I'm going in with a concealer to hide the spots I have on my face. For foundation, I'll be using the Juvia Place foundation in Lagos 240 and Maybelline Fit Me foundation, but I'm not sure of the shade, so I'll leave it in the description box below. And I'm just going to mix them together to get my perfect shade, and I'm going to apply the foundation. Guys, you already know how I apply my foundation. And after that, I'll move on to highlight my face, and I'll be using the Juvia Place concealer in number 10. And yeah, to set the highlighted part of my face, I'll be going into the Zikel powder palette, and I'll be using this shade to set that. For my lips, I'll be using the yangabeauty lipstick in Wow. To set my whole face, I'll be going in with the Kat Von D Lock-It setting spray, and I'll use the same beauty sponge I used earlier to press it into my skin so it sits really well. For highlighter, I'll be using the Morphe eyeshadow palette, and I'll go into this rose gold shade. So guys, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a huge thumbs up. Drop your comments down below. Please guys, let me know what you think about this look, and like this video. It means a lot to me. You guys liking this video, dropping your comments, subscribing means a whole lot to me. Like, I don't take any of that for granted. So guys, please help me and do all the good stuff that you should do. Subscribe to my channel, share this video, like, and drop your comments, please guys, I'm begging. Thank you. So yeah, I will see you all in my next one. Bye. Is it me or is it she? 'Cause we're two different people, and I would